From plant stems to artificial skin, skin fiber technology has evolved into one of the most fascinating fields of material engineering.
The term skin fiber commonly refers to bast fibers, which are extracted from the skin-like layer surrounding certain plant stems. These fibers are naturally positioned between the outer bark and the inner woody core of the plant.
The manufacturing process begins with harvesting fully matured plants at the ideal growth stage.
After harvesting, the stalks are moved to retting facilities for fiber extraction. Retting is the most important step in bast fiber production and determines final fiber quality. Microorganisms gradually break down natural binding materials surrounding the fibers. During retting, pectin gum is decomposed, allowing fibers to separate from the stem.
Water retting has been practiced for centuries and remains widely used today.
Some factories use alkali or oxalic acid solutions to accelerate the retting process. Once retting is complete, the stalks are dried before mechanical processing begins. The first mechanical operation is called breaking, where rollers crush the woody stem. This step loosens the fibers and removes much of the unwanted plant material. Next, the fibers enter a scutching machine for further cleaning. The rotating paddles remove broken bark pieces known as shives. At this stage, clean fiber bundles are successfully released from the stem. The fibers are combed to improve alignment and remove remaining impurities. Combing also separates short toe fibers from high-quality long-line fibers. These fibers are then twisted together through spinning to produce yarn. The yarn becomes the raw material for textiles, ropes, sacks, and industrial fabrics.
The cellular regeneration rate is unprecedented. And the integration stability? Look at the neural interface markers here.
The goal is to replicate the structure and function of natural human skin. Production starts by carefully measuring uncross-linked silicone and functional additives. Sodium bicarbonate is often added to improve texture and surface characteristics. Boron nitride enhances thermal conductivity for more realistic heat transfer. Carbon nanotubes provide pressure-sensing functionality and intelligent responsiveness. Ultrasonic homogenization prevents particle agglomeration and ensures uniform distribution. The mixture is mechanically stirred with a curing agent before molding. Each functional layer is cast separately to create a multi-layer skin structure. The layers are cured in a vacuum oven at 60 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Microfiber leather production begins with ultra-fine synthetic fibers, forming a dense, non-woven base. The fabric is impregnated with polyurethane and passed through coagulation, creating a porous structure similar to natural leather. Finally, textured finishing transforms the material into premium microfiber leather, from natural bast fibers to artificial skin.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.